always to give you the tools to bring your editing skills to the next level. First thing that I'm gonna do is add a keyframe on the beginning of my take. I'm gonna go to transform, and then I'm gonna add the keyframe. You see this little X is because the keyframe is applied. I'm gonna go to the other point that I wanna zoom in, and I'm gonna select the position or the angle that I want. If you wanna be more precise or change the time of your keyframe, press Ctrl V. If you have this tab open, you can always change the time or the position of your frame. So pretty much if I drag this here, I'm gonna tell that from this point until this point, it's gonna zoom in and it's gonna keep the same. And you can do the same thing to zoom out. To do the opposite or add more keyframes is the same process. I'm gonna go to the area, add a keyframe to just stay the same, and after some frames, I'm gonna zoom back out. To be more precise, I'm gonna go to the right side and I'm gonna put 100. And I'm just gonna change manually 0 and 0 and 0. Boom, very simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment down below. Thank you very much for watching this video, but this is just a little part of editing. If you wanna bring your editing skills to the next level, I have a playlist full of Final Cut Pro tutorials just for you. Consider subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new tutorial. Follow me on social media and I'll see you in the next video.